Special greetings, my dear students. Actually, in previous class, we seen this chart components. Now, in this class, we will see how to format the components. Format means what? Format means just modifying the style, appearance, okay, in a component of the chart. So there are 9 types of components available in a chart. Already we seen chart which include all the chart components inside of that, okay. Category axis which shows the name, okay. This category axis contain the categories and data series, plot area, okay, legend, value axis. So including this all will come in a chart area, and there is a line, okay, this is a grid line. So this all are the components we learned in previous class. In this online video class we will learn how to modify the, how to format the components, okay. First one, changing the chart type. Already I mentioned in previous class, just right click in a chart area, just right click, we can able to see change the chart type. This is the first method. Else select the table tool, means just see here, when you click on table, okay, top, you will get the chart tool option. In this chart tool option we can able to see change chart type. Now which type we want, you can select, okay. So I'm selecting this, okay. But if I want any style, see in students in this so many styles are there, which style you need you can select, it is your option, that is your practical, okay. So that is a modifying chart layout, that only. After additional formatting chart, see very simple, chart area is in a just right click, you can able to see at bottom format chart area, just select that format chart area and kindly see here color. When I'm selecting, okay, now border style, okay, border style or 3D format. Students, so many formats are there, just click, but students, you can able to see this corner some modification is there, some changes came in chart area. Border I'm saying, okay, in border, means in this we cannot able to see properly in full screen, okay. Better we can change here, just right click, format data series, okay. Now border color or fill color, you can select gradient, see here automatically color changed. If I'm going to select any other color, can you able to see the changes? This is a format, okay. If I want format plot area, just right click, format plot area, gradient fill or any as your wish, okay, as your wish you can select. Solid fill, okay, means this is your practical. If you do once practical only, you can able to understand this concept, okay. So chart area, right click, see here chart type, okay, but I want chart area, just right click, bottom chart area. So here gradient fill, okay, gradient fill, and we can able to see the changes whatever option we are selecting. Not only this, student, there are several border style, okay. If I want border style must be bolder, Okay, but it is not visible to us, but I can able to change here 10. See here, see this area. Now I am giving 100, 1000 only. So can you able to see the width of the border and the shadow? If you need, we can. Okay, but in chart area it is not visible that much, but inside component we can able to see. Data series, again right click, means that this is what blue color math. Just right click, format data series, and we can able to see border color, fill color. I want to fill picture and texture. Okay, this time can you able to see the changes? So this is a easiest method to format a chart area, means chart components. How you will format a legend? Just move your mouse cursor to the legend, just right click, format legend, over. Now you can able to select the position, right? If this is the right side, if you're selecting left side, top, it became top. If you're selecting top right, but I need only right, sorry, right side. Okay, after border color, so border color solid line. Okay, means students, this is a way to format a chart area components. Okay, chart components, very simple. Again I'm saying, if you want to format a chart, very simple, just to move your mouse cursor to the particular component and right click. When you right click, you can able to see here changing border color, background color, pattern. This all already we seen. Okay, you can able to see pattern fill. Okay, border color, border style. I hope you understood. So according to our portion, we completed 5 chapters. Okay, and one more chapter is the 6th chapter, and that is our last chapter for our semester portion. Okay, students, please kindly go through, and whatever we learned in this chapter, I taught you in this chapter, please kindly revise it, and the upcoming class we will go more deeply. Thanks for watching.